Right, guys, so I'm having a problem with my 99 Honda Civic. It's an EM1 V16A2. Now, I replaced the O2 sensor, the plugs, and wires. The check engine light keeps coming on and flashing. I'm getting a misfire in 1, 2, 3, and cylinder 4. But it turns off when I give it gas. If someone knows or can help me diagnose this problem, that'd be awesome. Yeah. Just leave it in the comments. Thank you.